All right, dear children, welcome back to class. We're looking at this areas related to circles. No, already we have come for this second lecture. I welcome all of you for this second lecture, second class of this beautiful chapter areas related to circles. And we are looking at this exercise. No, first exercise already. I think like you must have completed. We have completed first, second, and third problem. So let us do this fourth problem also for general understanding. So everybody write this fourth problem. Everybody write fourth problem, all of you. Please write down fourth problem. I think fourth problem is visible to everyone. Write it down. The wheel of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. They are having diameter 80 centimeter. All right. That means radius is 40 centimeter. How many revolutions, how many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes? Okay. In 10 minutes, how many revolutions they will make, they're asking. Okay. When the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour. This is a very general question. Please write it down. First of all, how many revolutions it is making? If I want to understand how many revolutions it is making in 10 minutes means I have to find out how much distance it travels in 10 minutes, no? How much distance it goes in 10 minutes is very, very important, right? Then only I'll be able to find out how many revolutions it makes. Everybody is able to see this question, no? Fourth question, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Please make a note of this fourth question so that we can quickly solve it. Everybody wrote this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'm going to the solution now. So let us try to find solution for this. This is the second lecture now. So let us see how the solution comes for this. That is fourth question, no? Fourth question in the first exercise. What is the diameter of the wheel? It is 80 centimeter. That means radius is 80 by 2. It becomes 40 centimeter, no? Radius becomes 40 centimeter or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay. So this is fine. Now what is the speed of the car? Speed is equal to 66 kilometer per hour. And everything is there in now centimeter and all. You have to convert this centimeter into kilometer or this kilometer into centimeter. Anything is fine. So in minutes also they're asking, don't you think speed can be written as 66? Then if I write 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, no? So can I write it as 66,000 meter per hour means can I write 60 minutes? Can I write like this? Can I write 66,000 meter per 60 minutes? One and the same, no? Both are.
yes,
Please
sir.
tell me,
Yes,
dear
sir.
So they are one and the same. I mean 66 kilometer or if you want to say 66,000 meter, both are same thing. 1 hour or 60 minutes, both are same things. They are not different things, okay? They are going to be same thing. Now here 0 get cancelled and 6 ones are, then 6 ones are, then 0. Don't you think it is 1100 meter per minute?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? Now, this is there in a centimeter. You can convert this into, meter also. And this one also, you can convert this into what you call centimeter. No, 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 1100 meter means, don't you think 1100? And another zero, another two zeros, then centimeter per minute. So these many centimeter, it moves in 1 minute, no? 1,10,000 centimeter in a minute or not? This is the speed of the car, no? Like this, you can convert or not? To keep the things in the simpler way. Can I do this or not? Tell me. 1100 meter means what, dear children? I mean 1100. Then I have to give other two zeros. Then it becomes centimeter, no?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me. Now, in 10 minutes, see, in 10 minutes. Now the time they have given in 10 minutes, okay? In 10 minutes, how much distance it will move? In 10 minutes, it will move a distance. Distance is equal to, you have a formula, no? What is that? Speed into time. speed into time. So what is the speed? Speed is like 110000. Then it is centimeter per minute. You can write this or you can ignore this also, no problem. Into how many minutes? Into 10 minutes here. So this minute and minute get cancelled. Don't you think it will move 110000 another 0 centimeters distance in 10 minutes? This is the distance traveled by the car in 10 minutes, no, dear children?
Yes, sir.
This much distance it travels, no? Okay. Now, everybody got this? It's very simple, no? Simple module I have made it. In simple ways I have solved it. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in one revolution, for example, that wheel is there, no? That wheel is having diameter 80 centimeter. This radius is 40 centimeter they have mentioned. So this radius also they have given 40 centimeter. So if it takes one complete round, it will be traveling in one round, in one revolution. Otherwise, you call it as a revolution. In one revolution, okay. What is the distance traveled by it? Distance traveled by it is equal to circumference, no? In one revolution, distance traveled by wheel is equal to, what I will write here? I'll write circumference of wheel or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Because one revolution means a circumference. So distance traveled by wheel, distance, same thing. I'm going to write the same thing here. So distance traveled by the wheel is equal to circumference of the wheel means it becomes 2 pi r, no? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So distance traveled by the wheel is equal to 2 pi r means 2 into 22 by 7 into r means what? 40 centimeter it is there. So let's keep it like that only. So distance traveled by wheel in one revolution, we're talking about only one revolution, a very, very important point it is. Okay. About only one revolution we are talking about. Okay. So that is equal to, you can keep it like this, or you can, you can do this calculation also. How you can do? This is 24 into 40 is like, you can do it as 2 into 4 to the 8, 8, then 0, then divided by 7. Or distance traveled is equal to, what is this? 0, then 2 8 is 16, 1 is the carry, 2 8 is 16, 17. So divided by 7. Right? Is it correct? So these many centimeter it will be moving in one revolution. No? In one revolution it will move these many centimeters or not? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, what they're asking, in 1760 divided by 7 centimeter, how many revolution it does? It does one revolution, no? If it is traveling this much distance means it has to do one revolution, correct?
Yes, sir.
In one revolution, I have calculated all this. No, in one revolution, distance traveled is, I have done this calculation, 1760 by 7 centimeter. I want number of revolutions now. So what I'm saying, in 1760 divided by 7 centimeter, it is doing one revolution. But how much distance the car has to travel? It has to travel this much distance, no, 11, then 00000. So these many centimeter the car has to travel or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's why what I will say, in 11,000,000 centimeter, how many revolution it does? You know this method, no? For this much, this has happened. For this much, how much will happen? So you know this method or not? How to do this? Yes? Everybody knows it or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is this calculation? 11,000,000, then into 1, then divided by 1760 divided by 7. So then you do this 11,000,000 into 7 divided by 1760. 0 get cancelled. You multiply with 11. So it becomes 11 sevens are 77. Then 4 zeros will remain here and divided by. Correct? No? Everything is fine, right? Okay. And divided by 176 it comes and you cancel them. Okay. Will you cancel? How will you cancel? Tell me. How will you cancel? Tell me. 11 ones are then 6 is the carry, 11 6, then 11 sevens are, then 0 0 0 0, right? So that is like 7 0 0 0 0 divided by 16. Directly you can do it with 16, no? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you cancel these things. Okay, so what you can do now? 16 ones are, then 16 fours are, right? 16 fours are 64. 6 is the carry. Then correct, no? 16 threes are 48. 12 is the carry. No, don't do this calculation, dear children. Even I am not aware of the 16 table. Okay, so 16 table.
4312.5, sir.
Yeah, 70000 divided by 16 means, please do this. I'll do it 4. Okay, 4 fours are, then 4 ones are, then 3 is the carry, 4 sevens are, then 2 is the carry, 4 fives are 00. Then I'll do it 4. 4 ones are, 4 threes are, 4 fours are, sorry, 4 fours are 16, 1 is the carry, 4 threes are 12, 3 is the carry, 4 sevens are, then 2 is the carry, then fives are. So 4375, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Priyanka, I think you got it in point. That's so
I did it with 16 tables, sir.
you can write get this much on, correct? Okay. So car completes, or wheel of cars, car completes 4,375 revolution. Is it clear? Try to make your calculation much more easier. I mean, I am not well versed with 16 table. I'm sorry for that. My time is gone now. So you have to be well versed with 16 table. Otherwise, 4 table is also there. Okay, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So very, very clear to you. This question is clear or not, dear children? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So yes, look into this question. This is quite simple. Shall we go for next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So anyhow, this will be saved here only. No need to bother about this. So this is like next question. Have a look at this question. This is the fifth one, no? So fifth question, we need to have a look at this, no? Fifth question. Please have a look at this fifth question, all of you. Take the correct in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of the circle are numerically equal. Oh, perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal. Then radius of the circle is. Please find out radius of the circle. What they are saying? Perimeter is equal to area. They are saying, no.
Yes, sir.
Perimeter is equal to area. So this perimeter is equal to area. Perimeter means, what is the formula? 2 pi r, no? And it is equal to pi r square. Hmm? So what they're asking, then radius is equal to, they're asking pi and pi get cancelled, and it is 2r is equal to r square. And if you send that r that side, it becomes r square by r. Here 1r get cancelled. So don't you think r is equal to 2 units?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the correct option, no? Yes, sir. So I hope it is clear. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you get a general idea about this first exercise, dear children? I mean, all this, these are
Yes,
like
sir.
general questions, okay? Just to general question, just to get you ready for your second exercise. Okay, what are the details needed for second exercise? I'll give you. So in this first exercise, the like general, they are not in too much specific. One was a little bit as in, I mean, you needed more understanding to do that fourth question. This questions like fourth question, no, they are very important for your logical understanding. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So many questions will come like that in the assignment also. And even I think first exercise, you have solved it completely, first exercise. All of you completed this, no? First exercise. I have solved all of them.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Uh, so now, before getting into second exercise, you must be having some idea about the things. If you have idea about the things, then to do second exercise. Try to get all the details what are needed for our second exercise in this second lecture. Okay, so we have completed this. Now look at this. All these inputs. So what are the inputs for second exercise? Inputs of this second exercise, whatever are needed, no? So those inputs I'll be giving you now. Okay, let us start with this second exercise things, dear children. So let us look into all these things. Now look at this. You know about this thing. For example, if I have got a circle here, I have one center here and I get one line here. This is one line and this is another line here. Okay. Have two lines like this means don't this portion is there. No, children, this portion, this is called as an arc, right? This portion, A to B, this is called an arc, no? And we write it as AB with that symbol above this, no? This is called as arc AB, right? How to write this arc AB, right? We learnt in ninth standard also. Arc AB, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Now, this arc at the center, here this is the center, and here it is making an angle of example. Okay, any angle other than theta, you can take other thing also, no issue. So if it is making an angle of theta at this center means now what will be area of this? How much area it will be having? So this area, whatever this area is there, or this area, if they're asking us to find out, so this is this whatever this is there, this is called sector, no, dear children? You know about sector, no? Sector means
Yes, sir.
it is the area between arc and radii, arc and radii. Look at this. So this is AB is the arc, and OA and OB are the radii, right? So this area is called area of sector, no? Correct? This is sector,
Yes,
dear
sir.
children.
Yes, sir.
So now there is a formula for area of sector. What is the formula for area of sector? Area of sector means whatever angle it is making, that angle divided by 360 into area of the circle, that is pi r square. So this is the formula. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
How it is coming, I will explain. To worry about that. This is the formula. For example, directly let us do a question. For example, they have given one circle here. Okay, there is a circle given. So this circle has given means it must having some, that is for sure. So this is having some, this radius is like 14 centimeter. Okay, and definitely this is also 14. Now let us assume this angle, whatever it is making, no, this is, it is 30 degree. Is 30 degree. Okay, and it is O, and this is A, and this is B. And if there, this OAB, whatever it is there, no, instead of saying it as OAB, you can call it as OA, and you can give one more point here, C also, because OAB means it may become triangle also, like that. Things are not there, no. Instead, those things are not profit. It is coming here, no, OAB. So this is known as a sector, right? So if they're asking area of this sector, area of a sector, OAB means you have to, what you have to do, I told you the formula, no? Theta means what? 30 degree here. Theta means 30 divided by 360 into pi r square. Is it understood, dear children? Is it
Yes,
understood
sir.
whatever I have written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you understood this, so now calculations are much more simple here. So it becomes 30 divided by 360 into pi r square means it becomes 22 by 7 into r square means it square, 0 cancelled, or you can do now. There is no issue with this. Okay, so we will carry forward this. So we'll write it as 3 ones are, then 3 ones are, 3 12s are. It becomes 1 by 12 into 2 into 40
Sir, your voice is not hearing.
Children, please confirm. Can you hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So now my voice is clear or not clear?
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
It's very clear. I mean, before how it was, now also it is like that, or I mean, it is less clear now.
Like that only, sir.
Like that only it is there. I mean, initially how it was. Yeah, I mean, I connected that to Bluetooth, but this PC is having a one trouble here. It is like whenever some mail and all it comes. I mean, no issues. No, this voice is also fine, right, Yashindra?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So anyway, my screen is also visible, right?
No, sir.
My screen is visible. My screen is
No,
not
no,
visible.
sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
Okay. So is my screen visible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Up
sir.
to this, you were able to see this, no? Up to this 51.33, everybody were able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. After this semicircle and all. Okay. So this is called semicircle. No, what is the area of this semicircle? Don't you think it is pi r square? Yes. How it came, no, dear children? Look
Yes,
at
sir.
this. This is a center, and it is OA and OB. These are also two radii, no? OA and OB are radii. What is this angle? What is the value of this angle? Please tell me. This angle is 180 degree, no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So if you want to find out that area of that is also one sector, yes or no? So this whatever we have shaded now with red, and now I am shading it. So this is also one sector only. So we call that as semicircle. Whenever diameter is involved like this, so we call it as a, I mean as a semicircle only. So here also it becomes 180 degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square. No, so it's not pi r square. Actually, it is pi r square divided by 2. So this total circle, everything is there. No, this total circle it becomes pi r square, but only semicircle means it becomes pi r square by 2. So look at this, 180 divided by 360 into pi r square. If you are doing 180 ones are 182s are. So don't you think it has become pi r square by 2? So this formula must be correct now.
Yes, sir.
Theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, anything for that matter. So it can be anything. For example, they are giving you any circle like this. Okay, any circle, and they are giving. I mean, after giving this circle, after giving this circle, if they are giving any points, they may give you any points here. For example, this is a point here, and they'll give you something like this. Okay, and they'll limit as O, E, B, and they'll tell you this angle is like, for example, 120 degree. If they're saying 120 degree, and they're asking you to find this area. Okay, and they have given this radius as 7 centimeter. Can you find out this area? Please find out this. Find out area of sector OAB. It can be anyhow. Sector can be like this. Yes, this is also sector. Okay, it can be like this also. This is also sector only. All these things are sectors only. Please do this. So don't you think it is 120 divided by 360 degree into pi r square?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
120 ones are 122 threes are. So it becomes 1 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7. And r square means it is 7 square. Here 7 and 7 get cancelled. And what remains here? 22 into 7 by 3, no? 22 by 7 into 3. And that is like, you can calculate this. 7 2s are 14, and then 15 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are, and 3 1s are, then 1 is a carry, 3 3. 51.33 centimeters square, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is quite simple, right? Area of sector, can you find out like this, dear children, if anything is given?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, this sector is there, no? This sector is there means now it must be having this arc also. So here is the center, and I have this A also, and I have this B also. How about length of this arc, dear children? Have you thought about, for example, this is making an angle of theta. And how about the length of this arc? Length of arc AB, length of arc AB with this sector will be, it's quite simple. So that is going to be theta divided by 360 degree into, instead of that pi r square, we are going to write here 2 pi r, because it is a circumference, no? 2 pi r means it is a circumference of the circle, no? So we are going to write as theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so area means we are writing into pi r square, length means we are writing into 2 pi r. Okay, yes, dear children, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Actually, this much input is more than enough. Now you are ready to solve second exercise with some more triangles and all, it will come. And you must be knowing all these things, no? For example, this circle is there means, I mean, if I'm drawing one line here, one straight line here, so this side, whatever I have, this side, it is called as, what is this? This area is called as segment, no? This one is known as minor segment, right? Everybody know about this, no? So this is known as
Yes,
minor
sir.
segment, and this bigger part is called as major segment, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And this smaller part, for example, A, B, I'm writing, and if I'm writing O here, and if I'm writing O dash here, what about this AOB? Area of AOB means it becomes area of minor segment and all that, you know, and AO dash B means that area is called as major segment. How about this AOB? So this is called as minor arc, no?
Yes, sir.
And how about
Yes, sir.
AO dash B? AO dash B, we call it as major arc, no? I have told all these things, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I hope things are getting very, very clear here. So this is minor arc and this is major arc. Okay, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And you must be having idea about that major sector and minor sector also. For example, this is a circle, and here I have got the center, and these are the radii. So this OAB. So whatever this thing is there, no? Here I have got some area, right? So this area. So what is this? This is minor sector, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
this area, whatever I have shaded, so this is known as minor sector. Okay, dear children. So this is a minor sector, and this one is known as major sector now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I hope you guys have these ideas, okay, about major sector and minor sector, and we can carry forward those calculations in the second exercise. Shall we start to do second exercise, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these things are there. You should be aware of all these things to solve questions from second exercise. Okay, let's get started with the second exercise. Now all details are clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope everybody is making notes also. So let's get into that exercise. Wherever it is there, I mean, we'll get into the second exercise. We'll solve them. Otherwise, I mean, instead of me solving, will you take a chance to solve yourself, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
Yes,
so that
sir.
in the next class, I mean, see, I want all of you to solve these questions. Okay, you can see the example questions also. You have to try them. So once you have tried them, then only things become easy for us. So you must be trying them. Okay, so will you try all these questions from second exercise, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now only immediately once the class is over, try all these questions from the second exercise, whatever second exercise is there. Okay, try all these questions, and whatever doubts you have, okay, immediately in the tomorrow's class I will be asking you doubts directly. Okay, so that you can tell me. I'll be solving all these questions. Right, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So will you start to solve them now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay then. Take care. Have a good day and bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye
you, sir.
everyone.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye everyone.